Hi, this is Karen, and tonight we're going to make chicken taco soup. It's not something I've made before, but this is a really easy meal. It's a dump and go meal. And so we're going to start with chicken. I'm making for a lot of people tonight, so I have 4 pounds of chicken, and it's cubed, so these are rather small sizes. And so you dump all that in there. The next thing we're putting in is 2 cans of black beans, and I prefer to use ones that have nothing added, so it's just beans and water. So we dump that in there. Then I'm adding 2 cans of northern beans, same thing, just beans and water. So as usual, I use my Cuisinart to make them smaller. So I did 1 medium onion in there and got it nice and small. So let's get that in there. Then we're going to add our tomato products, and remember that we put those on top and do not stir them in. So I have 3 cans of diced tomatoes, and I use organic diced tomatoes, and we're leaving the juice in there. I also have 1 can of organic tomato sauce, and all of these cans are 15 ounces. And then I have 1 cup of medium salsa. If you wanted to not do salsa, you could also choose to use some of those diced tomatoes and green chilies, and replace that. So the last thing we need to add is our taco seasoning, and we need 4.5 tablespoons. So this is a 1/2 tablespoon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I'm counting right. Last thing we do is seal our pot, seal our vent, and you can either use your soup button and change the time to 10 minutes, or you can set it to manual for 10 minutes. I'm just going to use soup because that's on high pressure already. Change it to 10 minutes. When it's done, let it naturally release for 5 minutes, and then you can release the rest of the pressure. And I will take a picture and post it at the end. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.